Hello and welcome to Zimsteg Media. In some latest developments, Zimbabwean controversial businessman Wicknell Chivayo has gifted former National Television and news anchor Oscar Pambuga with a brand new 2025 Toyota Fortuner 4x4 and 10,000 United States dollars in cash. He has been recognized for his recovery journey and advocacy against drug and substance abuse. Once the face of primetime news with his iconic introduction, The News at 8 read by Oscar Pambuga, the journalist's career was derailed by drug addiction, which led to a conviction, loss of employment, and a prison sentence. He later underwent rehabilitation through the Zimbabwe Prisons and Correctional Services. And now open about his past, Pambuga has become a vocal advocate, warning young people about the dangers of substance abuse. His efforts align with national anti-drug campaigns led by President Emmerson Mnangagwa and the First Lady's Angel of Hope Foundation. The gesture, described as a recognition of his courage and transformation, has been held as a symbol that rehabilitation works and that second chances are possible. Congratulations to Oscar Pambuga. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.